$25 a pup, my friend. You getting your freak on or what?
Oh, yeah, boy.
Now here's the rule. Rule number one, don't punch her. This comes in tomorrow and she got her shiner and the rest of the teeth rigged up. So no knuckle sandwiches under no circumstance. And by the way, this little cunt's a spitter. It's a motor reflex thing. But spitter no, no punching. Now we absolutely positively clear on rule number one? Good. And rule number two, no monkey bites, no hickeys. In fact, no leaving, no marking, no contact. After that, it's all good. Every woman down there will work more, so feel free to come here all you want. Keep the boys down, try not to make a mess. I'll be back in 20. By the way, not all the time, but sometimes this chick cooks and gets mad about the same. If she dries, just move up and listen, you're good to go. Don't have to eat good, buddy.